Hello there, Hector here. Today is Tuesday, the 1st of April 2008. Late in the evening, actually. Today I didn't take any trade, but I thought perhaps I could record a quick video with the setups that I've been following. None of them have given me any entry. I was following a few of them, and well, none of them really gave me any entry possibility. First of all, the Canadian dollar against the CHF on the 4 hours time frame. Beautiful downtrend, with those moving averages nicely pointing down parallel to each other, etc, etc. Moreover, we had a very clear downtrend line, okay, marked in pink in my screen, okay, right there. And also two different levels of support and resistance, marked in blue in my screen. First of all, this one, then this one, okay. I was basically waiting for a pullback to retest those levels and search for reversal formations around there in order to obviously search for a short entry in the direction of the trend. First one got breached, then I was waiting for price to retest this confluence of different elements of resistance around the 0.90 level. We had the 0.90 level in itself. We also had the 38% Fibonacci retracement, also the moving averages, of course, coming around the trend line, etc, etc. So I was basically waiting for price to retrace back to this area, search for a reversal formation, perhaps an M formation, 1, 2, 3 formation, and from there triggering a short entry. But well, as you can see, price has been moving up all day long. It's given no signal to or no indication of any possible turnaround around that. In fact, what we've seen all day long is a number of consecutive green bars, okay. Have a look at that. It's important not to lose sight of price action. If the bars are printing in green, well, there is no short entry to search for an entry. You need red bars if you want to go short. You need green bars if you want to go long. I wanted to go short, so obviously I was waiting for a short, so for red bars. But well, all day long, breaching through levels of resistance, breaching the trend line, breaching the moving averages. Not a chance to find any entry there. Moreover, the euro against the Canadian dollar, another setup I was following, also in the 4 hours time frame. Basically the same thing. Beautiful uptrend, okay, beautiful moving average formation to the upside. However, well, we also had a nice trend line around there, got breached. The moving averages are being breached right now. The 50 is being broken as I record this video. I was basically waiting for a pullback around there, searching for a bullish reversal formation. However, well, same thing as before. If I am looking to enter long in this market, I need green bars, obviously, and well, all of them all day long we've been getting red bars. No reversal formation around the dynamic area of support and resistance. It did hold the pullback there. It did hold the pullback once again there. I was basically waiting for the same type of formation, but well, it's not been the case today, so I couldn't take any entry. Another one that I've been following, the euro against the CHF, this one on the daily. Another beautiful trend. Have a look at that. Okay, clearly making harmonic swings, okay, of the dynamic area. Now we are retesting the dynamic area. I'm going to be searching for reversal formations around there in the following days. We also have a trend line there, okay. I'm going to be, like I said, searching for reversal formations at this precise junction of the chart between the 158.00, 158.50 round numbers, around that. Over the following days. This is a daily chart at the end of the day, so the setup is going to take few days to fully unfold, but nonetheless I'm going to be searching, like I say, for reversal formations. We also have a previous swing low there. Hopefully will work as resistance. We have the 50% Fibonacci retracement around there as well, so plenty of levels to to base a possible short entry around that area. Moreover, let's see the Australian dollar, the Aussie. It had actually quite a nice move to the downside in the direction of the moving averages today. Okay, have a look at that. This is on this would have been an intraday type of trade, as you can see in the 30 minutes chart. Another beautiful moving average formation, etc, etc. It came back to retest the moving averages, okay, right there. This morning early in the London market opened right there. Then I was waiting for a breakout of this double bottom, okay, this level of support, which was around the 0.9075. okay, this is the the double bottom I'm talking about. I was searching for a short entry around there. Just as the breakout was taking place, I zoomed into the shorter time frames, in this case the 5 minutes time frame. This is an intraday type of trade at the end of the day, like I say. Let me 1 second. Okay, there we are. This level, all right, that 0.9075 level, I was waiting for a breakout pullback continuation pattern in order to base my entry, but well, as you can see, we got no breakout pullback continuation pattern at all. Price broke through and never came back up. Okay, it never looked back. Actually, it plummeted down for about 50 pips straight through, and well, you know, I couldn't find my any entry, okay, any entry to as far as the price action goes in order to base my entry. Moreover, they another setup, the euro against the Australian dollar, in this case also in the 4 hours time frame. Pretty much the same thing. This time around I was basically waiting for a pullback to the this double top right there, okay, 172.00, 172.50, around there. We also had the moving averages and a trend line there. It's marked in blue on my screen. I hope you guys can see that. So basically I was waiting for price to pull around that area once again, 172.00, and from there search for long entries once the retracement trend line, okay, which is marked in red in my screen, once the red retracement trend line would break to the upside in the direction of the trend. Well, we did get the pullback, okay. We have gotten the pullback, but well, we've broken below for over 60-70 pips actually to the downside. That's quite a lot. Perhaps it was just a stop loss run, you never know. However, that level hasn't quite held yet, okay. Hasn't quite held the retracement. The retracement trend line is still in place. I will have a look in the following days what type of price action do we get, whether we finally break above or we continue to move down. The setup as a whole is not looking that good anymore, just because of the fact that the main level I was keeping an eye on, okay, once again 172.00, 172.50, has broken to the downside for quite a lot, okay, 60 pips to be exact. Moreover, GBP against the Japanese yen, sterling pound against the yen. Another beautiful downtrend as per the moving averages, as you can see. This one is off the daily time frame. My custom trend scanning indicator is showing a red circle on the daily, meaning that time frame is downtrending. Obviously, we have a double bottom around there, 205.00. Okay, that's the double bottom I'm talking about. This one and this one. I'm waiting for a pullback back to that area around the moving averages, and I will search for short entries at this junction of the chart. Let's see if we get it. For the time being, is waiting time. And also finally got the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen, pretty much the same thing. A clear level of support, former support once broken, hopefully working as it will be working as resistance. We also have a trend line around there, okay, around that area. The moving averages, the 50% Fibonacci retracement as well of the previous swing, whole swing to the downside, okay, this swing around there we have the 50. So plenty of elements of resistance. We'll see if they hold. I'm waiting for price to retest, and from there I will search for short entries. Alright guys, that's all for this video. I didn't take any trade, like I say. Hopefully you found more trading opportunities than me. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.